then let me bring up on stage a global leader, an extremely high achiever, and I'm sure he's going to set this entire motivation energy that we all have to another level right now. Please welcome Willing Tan!
Thank you. Woo! Hello, India! How are you feeling? Thank you. I am excited. Are you guys excited? Yes! Okay, my name is Willing Tan. I'm a COE1, a Platinum Team Elite. I'm truly honored to be here today amongst passionate leaders and dreamers. When I started my Nu Skin journey 22 years ago, I was an engineer for a multinational company. Life was stable, but I think deep down inside, and I know some of you feel that too, deep down inside, I wanted something more. Something more fulfilling. One of the things I wanted was an opportunity for my wife Casey to be a hands-on mom. And I wanted to spend quality time with my elderly parents. Some of you want to do that too? And the other thing I wanted was to explore business. But at that time, I didn't know how. I didn't have the capital to start. But then Nu Skin came, a company that opened my eyes to the rising potential of anti-aging, wellness, and beauty. A company that, with purpose, science, and innovation at its core, what you saw here today. The journey wasn't easy. We faced many challenges. But we always remembered why we got started. We took one step at a time, every single day. With persistence, hard work, we aligned with the company, we developed ourselves. That was important. We never stopped learning. And as Nu Skin continued to innovate and grow, we simply followed that growth. Learning, adapting, and sharing the company's vision and mission with our friends and family. Nothing worthwhile is ever easy, but we chose to believe in the journey, we chose to believe in the work, and believe that everyone wants to live better longer. True? So through that belief, we achieved milestones we never imagined. Team Elite for 10 years, Platinum Team Elite 4 years, and a part of the Circle of Excellence 1. Thank you, Nu Skin. But the true reward wasn't the title, it was the transformation. It was the person we became, the lives that we touch, and the people we helped grow. That was more important. I always remember a quote from a good friend, Niraj. He said, "Good things happen when good people meet." Looking around today, I see good people. I see people with vision, courage, and heart. And I believe great things will happen. Because of our pioneering spirit, we're going to lift others up, and we're going to transform lives through our opportunity and our products. A little bit about myself, my connection with India. I'm from Malaysia. One of the largest Indian population outside of India. India is part of my culture. It's part of my heritage. And we couldn't be happier for this exciting journey ahead. Is my kurta nice today? Yeah. Thank you. Although I have still so much to learn and so many places to see, I look forward to supporting and helping and mentoring the future leaders of India to become a force for good, together to help empower others. As I close, I want to remind everyone, your background, doesn't define your future. Your belief does. New Skin is a platform that can empower ordinary people to achieve extraordinary things. We don't just change our circumstances, we change ourselves. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of this beautiful journey of empowerment. Let's go, India. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think that is fantastic. And yes, let's